Welcome to the first part of handling date and time in SQL. So till now we have used different types of data types in Oracle like number, varchar, char, etc. But now let us focus on an important data type, that is date. Now date is a very complex data type and it is stored in a very complex format inside SQL. Thousands of lines of C code has been written to develop this data type. Now Oracle supports different types of functions as well as different types of data types to support date. But before moving ahead, let us see a very simple example. As you might have done, we can see current date with the help of dual table, like select sys date from dual. Select sys date from dual. So what you can see, that current date is displayed. So as you might be aware that dual is a very interesting table. It is a dummy table. By dummy, it means that you will never see the list of this table. It means suppose you type select star from tab. You see the number of tables, but in these tables you will never find a table called as dual. But still you can select it. This you very well know. Like you can type select user from dual. You can type select sysdate from dual. You can type select something plus anything from dual. Okay. So similarly, dual can be used to see current date. Now what you can see is that Oracle displays by default date in DD, MON, YY format. Now what does it means? So the format is DD, MON, YY. Now what is this MON? MON means you can type Jan, Feb, MAR, DEC, first three characters of any month. Number is not allowed in case of month in Oracle. It is allowed, but with the help of certain functions. So by default, the format is DD, MON, YY, DD, MON, YYYY, DD, MON, RR. Now what is this RR? Actually, it is revised format that we will see by the end of the tutorial or maybe in the second part of this tutorial. Let us take an example. So you can see that the date is displayed as DD, MON, YY. Now problem with YY is that you cannot tell that what is this 20. Is this 1920 or it is 2020? So that is why Oracle has revised it long time back as RR. You will come to see very soon. Let us create a table with date data type. There are other data type also, but for as of now, we will go with date. Create table sample. Maybe okay, take roll number of type number. Let us take date of birth of type date and date of joining as of type date. You can see the table is created. Describe sample. So what you can see is roll number as a type of number and date of birth as a type of date. Okay. Now let us insert value. Insert into sample values 1 comma. Now Whenever date is entered directly, it has to be in single quotes. So first Feb, suppose you have typed 21 and 4th December 77. One row created. Let us see the record. Select star from sample. So what you can see is first Feb 21, 4th December 77. Now the problem is this, that how you will come to know that this 21 is 1921 or sorry or 2021 and this 77 is 2077 or 1977. So Oracle takes care of it internally, but you can enter all four numbers for the year also. I will show you one by one. Now, suppose you want to enter today's date. So how you can enter? It is again very easy. 2 comma, suppose enter any date, October 26. Okay, let us take example of all four numbers of a year. Suppose you enter 1765. It is allowed. You can enter any date. And you want to enter today's date also. So what you will type, without any quotes, you will type sys date. Okay, you can see one row created. Please remember that you cannot enter number in this. I will show you just now. Select star from sample. What you can see, 4th October 65. Now you can see you have entered 1765, but it is showing you 65. It is because the default format is DDMNYY. Very soon we will see the full date. And sys date, you can see today's date has come. Now sys date is entered without quotes, please remember. Okay. So whenever you are entering value through any function, you don't have to give quotes. Now let us take an example of an error. You try to enter something like this, 4 comma 1st December 77 and maybe sys date. Okay. So what will happen? Oracle gives you error, not a valid month. So as I've told you, 12 is not allowed. You have to type DEC for December. This is a default format of date. However, you may use certain different symbols, which means that if you try to enter 4 comma 1 slash MAR slash 77 sys date, it is allowed. So this dash is not compulsory. You can try different types of symbols. Many of them are allowed. Okay, let's just see an example. Select star from sample. However, the symbol that you entered will not be displayed. As you can see, by default it is converted into dash. So please try to create this table, enter such values, try to enter wrong values, then move ahead in the tutorial. Okay. So in the next part of video, what we will see, how to see full date, how to see all four numbers of the year, how to see time, because I have told you date is a complex data type. So not even date, even time is stored with the date. However, it is not displayed as a normal value, that you will see in next tutorial. So please try this and then move on to next tutorial. Thank you.